Okay. It's pleasure to be here, introduce our concept GIOT, and first of all, we'd like to give you some message in Chinese. 崇明各位台湾的民众们，在日本311的地震时的正在转关，使我们能够顺利度过难过。在此，我们对多方的资源表达极深的感谢。We just want to say that very thank you for the 311 tragedy. We're going to solve all of the problem, but still struggling. But thank you, your support and help. We never forget. And actually, GIOT is from Okinawa, so I'd like to explain some place information. What kind of place is Okinawa is? This. Okay, maybe she can explain a while.
那各位大家好，我们是来自冲绳县的 IT 观光科学园区。那我们从台湾到冲绳县搭飞机只需要1个半小时，是最靠近台湾的日本地区。然而，冲绳县也是观光产业及情报通信相关产业振兴是最下重心的一个地区。那所以我们也提供了以下的资源事项，例如说情报通信产业等振兴税金减免制度与情报通信费低减免化资源事业，与冲绳 Global International Exchange 等活用企业资源事业，与人才教育资源，还有金融业务特别地区振兴税金减免等制度。所以非常欢迎我们台湾的民众能够来到我们日本的 IT 观光科学园区做一个参考。谢谢。
Thank you, Lisa. Okay, let's get introduce our concept. We are a very new company established in November 2011. GIOT Corporation is a company doing business with the global internet things, which pursue global interoperability testing. Presently, just for talking about background, IT has been spreading into various scenes and computer systems called M2M that enable intercommunication between machine through an IP network are seen everywhere. The connectivity between products made by various manufacturers has been issues for such systems, but user has been expecting to be able to safe use it. Well, Japan led the world in the third G technology and service, which much experiences in assurance of domestic interoperability in application level. However, assurance and certification of interoperability in a global scale is a challenge. YLP and its members has been cooperating with the CMCA, China Mobile Communication Association, to review that development of such activity in China. In China, there are 11 national department and committee with categorized 19 standardization groups. They're forming a group of Internet of Things. CMCA is also participating in the standardization work. Mobile phone field is rapidly growing in China with more than 2,000 models, terminals, and several tons of thousand applications now. Verification and assurance of interoperability of model of software is a big subject for the customers who want safe and secure mobile phones. Verification and certification of the interoperability is a significant requirement in the wireless communication and ICT fields such as mobile phone with sophisticated gold roaming and application. Advanced information products and current navigation system needs of the verification of interconnection and operating among different smart models become high in general. Consumers who want safe and secure service of open source Android as the share of Android is rapidly expanding. In UE, in Europe, DMS Association has promoted a program FIRE, a future internet research experimentation, and it's working through the assurance of interoperability at testbed and living laboratory. DMS Association and YLP agreed to promote activities for interoperability, verification tests, and the establishment of certification function of GIOT by combined current independent local activity for improved interoperation between ICT systems. Global Internet Things Quality Certification Association was signed as Open International Activities on July 5th, 2011. This is a verification service. Some of the people know what is a verification, but it's not only just testing execution. We going to stick with the developer processing with requirement and also test design and test execution. This is corporate with the Veriserve Corporation. And to support R&D of new generation wireless system, including 3.9G, its international development and related new business creation. YLP will construct total testing environment to conduct IoT testing of terminal, base stations, and core network equipment by connecting to domestic and overseas commercial networks and a network environment close to real one. It will also include R&D and testing environment for application and network development for the wireless systems. This shows we're going to show the one-stop service by a GIOT. We're going to help to test before release in the market. Also, after we're going to take care of the customer's claim using by a call center. Let me introduce some of our solution, very concrete. This is Android remote sharing solution. We going to provide for testing. We have already known some kind of feature there. It's kind of same, but we know customer needs and demand, so its solution is different. Like the screen updating rate is different. It's available development tool offered by Google and remote debugging. And we prepare that the one other solution is Android automated testing. We can use for the long-term testing and regression test. Combine those solutions, this is actual processes. If you are in China or Taiwan, you can use the Japanese mobile phone, and you can get the debug log. And also, if you ask us, we can test instead of you. And finally, it's going to be all over the place. We're going to have a GIOT. It's not only Japan, and with GIOT is going to start China pretty soon, India, Europe. So that in that scale, mutual entry among the market. And we're going to use the same test method and same kind of test target. Now Android. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening. And our booth is back up this stage. And if you have a question, just please feel free to come to ask us. Thank you.